Pui or Malabar spinach, we often use Bengali as a shag, but if you see this is saute actually. You can use as the substitute of asparagus. Asparagus is very expensive, so the taste it's very similar with that. So you can use this. If you go to market, local shop, you can have this as Pui Bituli or Pui Bituli. So inside there will be seeds, so you can prepare you can plant actually Pui or Malabar spinach from this one. So you can use it for garnish and you can saute this. This is really very tasty. Just try it. See, it's good for garnishing as well, and I just cut it into small pieces, but you can use the long stem as well. So just try it. I'm not saying asparagus this is a exactly substitute, but sometimes we can use as a substitute. Just do try it.